our civilization and our personality. She is Ashmiya Shah from Shamali branch of Hindashama Bangladesh. Previously, we heard from Shantika Bhattacharya about the chapters from 1 to 6, and she has done it overall for the Gita. So it is the overall discussion. It is a very praiseworthy moment for us and praiseworthy occasion that these young guys are taking up, and Gita Shakti has started quite a good venture to publicize Gita, to preach Gita, to interpret Gita in our own values, in our own tone, in our own voices. Therefore, I congratulate her on her successfully delivering talk on Srimad Bhagavad Gita. And what she has said is just the gist of Gita, part 1, part 2, part 3. Part 1, there is 3 blocks. First block is Karma and Gyan. Second block is Gyan and Karma along with devotion. And thirdly, Gyan, Karma and devotion together. These 3 together pave the way for reaching the Godhead, which is really the destination of all of us. And this is how we will progress forward with the Gita Shakti Bangladesh. I wish in future we will get more and more children in order to learn these English commentaries on Gita.
বাংলাদেশ বৃহত্তর বহুভাগ শাখার ছাত্রী শ্রীমতী অঞ্জলা শাহ। শ্রীমতী অঞ্জলা শাহকে শুরু করার জন্য বিনীতভাবে অনুরোধ করছি। আর আমাদের মাঝে উপস্থিত হয়েছেন গীতা সংঘ বাংলাদেশের সম্মানিত উপদেষ্টা শ্রী স্বদেশ দেবনাথ। শ্রী স্বদেশ দেবনাথকে শ্রী স্বরূপ গীতা সংঘ বাংলাদেশের পক্ষ থেকে শ্রদ্ধা ও কৃতজ্ঞতা জানাচ্ছি। শ্রীমতী অঞ্জলা শাহ শুরু করবেন।